Question number 145. The original adjudication authority confirmed a demand of GST of 42,50,000 with interest and imposed a penalty of 4,25,000 in its order dated 1st September 2020. The assessee filed an appeal before appellate authority, first appeal, challenging the demand as well as penalty. The Comptroller and Auditor General audited the records of the assessee and therein opined that actual amount demanded should have been 48,50,000. While the issue was pending before the appellate authority based on the note, the Commissioner stayed the order of the original authority and issued a show cause notice on 15 March, proposing revision of the order of the original authority and revise the demand on the basis of audit note. Examine the correctness of the action taken by the Commissioner in accordance with the provisions of GST law. This is like enhancing the amount in the adjudication order. Okay. So, for that purpose, we have revisional authority. So, the revisional authority will revise the order. So, therefore, that revisional authority can initiate the revision of the order based on the audit note, and so power to stay the impugned order and modify the demand, yes, that is valid. So, because revisional authority, like that one concept is there, that revision authority is having the power to revise the order, either enhance or modify or annul the order. Okay, either they can enhance or modify, that is reduce or annul the said decision or order, but there is a time limit to do that revision. What is that? Suppose if on that adjudication order that person went for appeal, on this adjudication order, if that person went on appeal, then 1 year from the outcome of the appeal or 3 years from the adjudication order, whichever is later. So, 1 year from the date of appeal or 3 years from the adjudication order, whichever is later. Okay. So, revision order. Who? Revision authority. Revision authority is neither commissioner nor joint commissioner, etc. Revision authority is a separate authority appointed for this purpose. So, revision authority is like whistleblower, and they are no way connected to the regular department hierarchy. So, they are like, they will take the adjudication orders which is passed by the regular department and will revise if the order is erroneous or prejudicial to the interest of the department, interest of the revenue. So, these people are like whistleblowers. So, who is separate authority? So, that's a separate officers, usually at the commissioner level. So, they will be appointing revision authority, that is at the cadre of commissioner. At the cadre of commissioner level will be appointed as the revision authority. Now, what is the time limit within which they will do the revision? 1 year from the date of order in such appeal, or 3 years from the adjudication order, whichever is later. Now, if you see this order, the adjudication authority confirmed the order dated 1st September 2020. 1st September 2020. The assessee filed an appeal before the appellate authority challenging the demand as well as penalty. Now, from that date, we don't have the appeal date, appeal order date. 3 years from adjudication order. What is 3 years from adjudication order? So, 1st September 2020 means 21, 22, 23, but before that itself 15th March they have passed the revision order. Okay, so which means that it is within the time, but on that aspect on which they went for appeal, because on adjudication order there will be lot of transactions. So, out of these transactions, few transactions we would have went for appeal. On those transactions on which we go for appeal, with respect to those transactions, the revision authority should not pass the revision order. Okay. So, here they are going for appeal. Now, whatever the transactions or grounds on which they went for appeal, with respect to those transactions, revision authority cannot revise the order. So, matters pending in appeal cannot be revised. The revision authority shall not exercise any power if the order has been subject to an appeal. However, revision authority may pass an order on the point which has not been raised and decided in an appeal. Here the question reads, while the issue was pending before the appellate authority, which means that, so if you see here, while the issue was pending before the appellate authority, which means they already went for appeal. Now revisional authority cannot revise the order. So the action of the revisional authority is incorrect in this case. However, if there are few grounds on which they did not go for appeal, then with respect to those grounds, the revisional authority can do the revision. Okay.